Hi folks, and welcome back. Well, it's progress. That's it, slack, so it'll go, not tight on the... And it's already as slack as it can go in there, because that's a brand new cable. It's just been drawing the petrol and the air through that's been the issue. That carb cleaner has done the trick. Now we've gone the opposite way. Too far maybe for that, or he's just decided to pack in again. Doing it again. Well, another spray of carb cleaner will get the bike going again, but there's clearly still an issue.
Can you adjust that when it's on?
Why won't he start now? Why is he going the opposite way?
Hi darlings, how we all doing? Good to see you.
I've got some help, folks.
Hi. Maybe. Right, if I hold that clutch, push that starter before we put this one up.
Right, ready?
Right.
Okay.
No, that's all.
So, the petrol's not getting through. Why?
I'll tell you in 2 minutes. That's fine, there's 3 of us. Once you get that going, that's your choke air in it, you've got to get that stuff goes through right. And then just pull the choke half on. And
You
pull
need
it full on.
to have the choke on to begin with, otherwise it won't start. Every time.
Well, how the fuck's the stuff get through? Because your choke shuts your fucking flaps. Yeah. Pull your choke out. Oh, it doesn't in this one.
No,
Oh.
different kind of carbs, you see.
Usually there's a flap comes through at the back and shuts
I
off.
mean, if I put that on, it's not lifting up the sides. No, no. Have a look, Lily. Right, that's me. You will not see those slides move. They work on the basis of the air being drawn through.
The vacuum?
Yeah.
They're all moved fine, huh?
Yes, they're all moving fine. It only needs a tiny, tiny scoosh, really.
Turn it over where you're doing it. She's running fucking lovely. You could hear all 4 of them were fucking firing perfect. Yep. Yep. And there's no fucking juice coming, drawn from the carb into the head.
So, just adjust the jets and...
See? So all you can do is fucking undo them.
I'll undo the tank and just lift it a little bit.
Right, we need to open up the jets to let some people symbols are.
Just the right amount of tons. Each one.
What you do, you mark, see where that line is?
Aye.
A pencil mark on
That
there,
point.
the same with the next one, same with the next one.
Aye.
And you have a wee pad and you stroke off every half turn.
Aye.
Pencil can reach the turn.
I like petrol brake coming out the
Oh, 100%. I've got it on
Very
film. There's your vacuum pipe, and then you've got your petrol pipe, which is now clear, and you can see through it.
Well, that's probably. I'll try this one, see if it gets it first. Just need to mark. That's it. Right, that's number 3, 2 turns.
Cool.
Get her fired up again with the spray, right? And see if she'll keep going. And if she doesn't, stop the spray until the engine dies. and then you turn it over 3 or 4 times with nothing, and then check the plugs and see if there's any fuel in it. It'll build more fuel through priming it well than fucking normal. Anything to get the petrol in there. Right, let's get this show on the road.
Ready?
Right. You're a fucking black enamel cow, you're getting the better of me now. Nervy bit.
Right. Tell me when to stop.
Right. Where's that spark plug spot? Fucking joke. I don't understand that at all.
So, whatever's wrong is it still to do with the carbs?
Yeah.
You go back in.
See,
Still
if you
what?
look at that one, it's not even fucking burnt. What
This
that
one is.
Yeah.
Carbon on it.
Ready?
Did you run longer that time? That was only 2 squishes, wasn't it?
Again?
Right. See, I never sprayed her that time.
No, nothing.
No.
So I need something that will connect on to
Just stop it a bit here.
them. Are you okay?
Choke.
Teamwork.
She might go, she might go. Right.
Ready?
Cow.
Nightmare, isn't it?
Fucking evil. Petrol in there.
Yeah.
Right, try it again.
Again, okay.
That tells her.
The throttle killed her.
Aye. Slow.
Too slow?
Aye.
It was dribbling through there, and it shouldn't have been, because that's a nice big pipe, you know, it shouldn't have been.
It should have been.
It should have been drawn through a lot more fuel.
But just keep her topped up and we'll keep her going and see if she'll start running by herself. Even in the choke, it's a start. Get some revs. She's not moving. She's not taking the fucking juice.
Is that engine or carb related?
It's carbs. There's no petrol going in somewhere. Or it's no, it's either no going in there or it's no getting pumped through to there.
Yeah, it's only one of the
One of the two.
other. I
So
know.
we'll fucking cut that down to size, reset these screws back to where they were.
Right,
Try it.
we call it a day. There's something else no right here.
It's no getting fuel. It's as simple as that. Love yous all, catch yous all again, take care, ride safe, have fun.
So folks, to be continued, and thanks for watching. So next job is to recheck all the electrics and carbs until I find the problem. Hopefully it'll be sooner rather than later. Keep going with your projects. It will be worth it in the end.